Uh-huh.
But I want your head to be like this way because I want this to capture you at like a
angle. So just look at look at the screen then.
So is this pretty like straight for you? Like,
yeah. Oh yeah, no, I'm fine. Yeah.
Anything, right?
Yeah, no.
Yeah,
no, it's fine.
Yeah, just keep looking at the screen basically.
Okay, yeah, I can check myself out.
Yeah.
You
like yourself?
Yeah, hell yeah. Or just put some naked chicks on there. It's fine.
You like your sexualness?
Hell yeah, I do.
Alright.
What are we doing? Gonna react to something or what?
Yeah, we react to people watching react vids.
There you go.
No, the people watching, not people doing react.
Yeah, people. Yeah.
It's like three levels.
Yes. Let's watch that Canton Flash.
This is similar.
Oh.
This is similar.
Oh, Colonel Sanders. What?
This is nobody knew who the fuck he was.
That's sad.
Very sad.
Harland?
Yeah, Colonel Harland Sanders.
Oh, TIL.
Geritol.
Oh, he thought his first name was Colonel.
Yeah, his name is Colonel. It's K-E-R-N. Yes. Colonel.
Colonel, yeah.
The Colonel.
Yes.
Alright, that'll be good. Alright, you can sit in here now. No touche. No tocharse. You can get in there. And whatever you want to do. You can either... Just careful with one of the wheels just to make sure it doesn't go... Yeah, there you go. YouTube? Whatever you want. Yeah, you can just click on YouTube. Don't worry about that, yeah. YouTube is Google Chrome, fourth from the left. And, or go to Facebook. Where is it? On my tabs. Oh. Oh, this is probably some bullshit, huh? Is it a video or? No, it's a picture. I can't see it. Your head's in the way. Real quick, just try that. There you go. Yeah. Oh, beautiful. Very beautiful. Love it. It's my favorite thing in the world. You want to react to it? Thumbs up? You go ahead, man. You do whatever you need to do. Okay. No, it's different on the desktop. Yeah. There's a... Yeah, you'll see. Cry. There we go. Alright, what else? What do you want? I don't know, man. You can interview me. We can watch bullshit. Let's just try this for now. Okay. Let's just stop for now. Go to Logic, which is like the record logo. The record, yeah. And then just press stop on the top. Right here? Yeah, stop.